Hey, I'm Ross Guerin. I'm going to be your overbend instructor here at bluesharmonica.com. Together, David and I have created an 8-part lesson series that's going to take you from your very first overblow to overbending throughout the entire register of the instrument, incorporating these new notes into your first, second, and third position blues playing, and adding expression to these through vibrato and pitch bending. For this series, we're going to be using just a B-flat harmonica for all 8 installments, so that if you want to take the time to set up a harmonica to facilitate overbending, or buy a custom harmonica, you only have to buy or set up one. When we use the term bending, we can refer to either blow bends or draw bends, or both at the same time. It's just a generic term. Same with overbending. It can refer to overblows or overdraws. Now let's take a second to define chromatic versus diatonic. So a diatonic instrument would be like a piano with just the white notes. It's tuned to a major scale, and those are the notes that are there. Now, with standard bending, it would allow you to add on your diatonic harmonica a few of the black notes. Actually quite a number, but not all of the black notes that are on a piano. With a chromatic harmonica, the button allows you to get all of the notes that a piano would have. Now, with overbending, if you incorporate that with normal bending, you can get all of the tones of the piano and have a fully chromatic diatonic harmonica. So a standard bend is a technique that takes the pitch that you're already playing, for example, draw 4, and brings it down. Well, an overbend does the opposite. It actually makes the pitch go up. We'll talk a little bit more about this, but basically that makes your instrument fully chromatic and would let you hit any note in any octave. So with standard bending, hole 6 for example, we would start with an unbent note, which would be an A on a C harmonica, and as you're bending that draw note, the blow reed begins to activate and actually sounds a half step above. So we would get the A flat, which is a half step above the blow reed, which is a G. And on standard overblowing, we would start by blowing, again on hole 6, it's going to be a G, and as we begin to shape our mouth to create that overblow, the draw reed begins to activate and hits the half step above the draw reed, so in this case it would be a B flat. So on holes 1 through 6, our standard bends are draw bends, and 7 through 10, our standard bends are blow bends. Well, this is inverted for our overbends, so on holes 1 through 6 we overblow, and on 7 through 10 we overdraw. And let's take a look at the piano now to see what notes are available to us through standard bending and overbending. So on hole 1, our blow note is a C, our draw bend is going to be a D flat, our draw note is a D, and our overblow is an E flat. On hole 2, our blow is an E, our draw bends are F and G flat or F sharp, and our standard draw note is a G. Our overblow would then be G sharp or A flat. Those are enharmonically the same pitch. On hole 3, our blow note is a G. Our bends, our draw bends, are going to be A flat, A, and B flat with our standard draw note, unbent, B. The overblow is then going to be a C, which is a half step above B, the draw reed. On hole 4, our blow note is a C, our draw bend is a D flat, our draw is a D, and our overblow is an E flat. On hole 5, our blow note is an E, our draw note is an F, and our overblow is an F sharp. On hole 6, our blow note is a G, our draw bend is an A flat, our draw note is an A, and our overblow is a B flat. On hole 7, our draw note is a B, our blow note is a C. Now remember, at this point in time, we have now switched to overdraws, so our overdraw is going to be a half step above our blow note, and it's going to be a D flat or C sharp. On hole 8, our draw note is a D, our blow bend is going to be an E flat, our blow note is an E, and our overdraw is going to be an F. On hole 9, our draw note is an F, our blow bend is a G flat or F sharp, our standard unbent blow note is going to be a G, and our overdraw is an A flat. On hole 10, our draw note is an A, and our blow bends are B flat and B, and our blow note is going to be a C, with the overdraw then being, if you can get it, a C sharp or D flat.